Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the current Java version on Ubuntu. So let us start. At first go to the web browser. On Google type Oracle Java and press enter. The official website is visible, click on it. Here is the official website oracle.com/java. Click download Java. Now different versions are visible for Java. Go below. It automatically selected Linux. So different packages are visible. We will go for the Debian package. Click on the .deb extension file. The download started. Let's wait. So we have downloaded the .deb package. Right click and click show in folder. So we downloaded it in the downloads folder. Okay. Minimize this as well. Go to show apps. Type terminal. Click on it to open. Now here is the terminal. Let us type cd space downloads to reach the downloads directory. Type ls to list all the files. So here is our Java JDK file. We will use this to install Java. Type the command sudo space dpkg space -i. Type JDK and press tab so that you can add the entire name with extension. Here it is. Now I'll press enter. Add the admin password. The password is not visible, but when you will press enter it will take it. Now we are installing JDK. So we have installed JDK. Let us verify the installation. Java space -- version and press enter. Here it is. We successfully installed the current Java version. Here you can see it automatically added the path also. So now there is no need to add the path. Now to run your first Java program, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added a Java free tutorial link. Thank you for watching the video.